Somewhere out there, a 40-year-old chainsaw is still starting on the second pull. No computer, no fragile plastic, just raw two-stroke muscle that refuses to die. While modern saws get lighter and smarter, a handful of legends earn something money can't buy, a reputation for never quitting. Loggers hand them down like heirlooms. Mechanics almost never see them. Today we're counting down the 10 most reliable chainsaws ever built, the bulletproof machines that outlived their owners' expectations. Let's cut in. Number 10. Stihl MS 170. Let's start with a saw almost nobody expects on a most reliable list. The little Stihl MS 170. And that's exactly why it belongs here. Here's the thing about reliability. It isn't only about massive professional powerheads that loggers baby every day. It's also about the cheap, no-nonsense homeowner saw that gets left in a shed for 3 years, dragged out during a storm, and still fires up. That's the MS 170. It runs a small 30.1 cc two-stroke engine, puts out around 1.3 kilowatts, roughly 1.7 horsepower, and weighs only about 8.6 pounds as a powerhead. It's built for trimming branches, cutting firewood, and cleaning up after storms, and Stihl markets it squarely at residential users. So why does a budget saw make the list? Because Stihl built it with the same fundamental design philosophy as their professional line. A simple, mechanical, non-electronic ignition, an easy-to-clean air filter, and a straightforward carburetor. There's very little on this saw that can go wrong, and when something does, parts are everywhere and cheap. The MS 170 has become one of the best-selling chainsaws on the planet, precisely because it just works for the casual user. It won't fell a giant oak, and pros will tell you it's not meant to. But ask any dealer how many MS 170s come back dead versus how many keep running for a decade of light use, and you'll understand why it earns the number 10 spot. Reliability isn't always about brute strength. Sometimes it's about a machine that refuses to become a headache for the person who barely thinks about it. Number 9. Jonsered 2171. Number 9 is a saw that a lot of people have never heard of. And that's a shame, because the Jonsered 2171 is one of the best-kept secrets in chainsaw reliability. Here's the backstory. Jonsered is a Swedish brand with roots going back over a century. And for years it was owned under the same corporate umbrella as Husqvarna. What that means in practice is that the Jonsered 2171 and the legendary Husqvarna 372, which we'll get to later, are essentially sister saws, sharing the same core 70.7 cc platform. Same displacement class, same fundamental engineering, different paint and branding. The 2171 is a professional-grade saw in the 70cc range, and it earned a devoted following among loggers and firewood cutters who wanted Husqvarna-level durability, sometimes at a slightly friendlier price. It's got the torque to pull a 20 to 24-inch bar through hardwood, a rugged crankcase, and the kind of anti-vibration setup that let people run it all day. Why is it reliable? Same reasons as its Husqvarna twin: a stout, forged crankshaft, a proven cylinder design, and a mechanical simplicity that means fewer things to fail. Owners routinely report these saws running strong after 15-20 years of hard use. The catch, and the reason it sits at 9 rather than higher, is availability. Jonsered's presence shrank over the years, and finding brand-specific parts isn't always as easy as it is for the big two. But mechanically, this is a saw that punches way above its reputation. If you ever spot a clean 2171 at an estate sale or in the back of someone's barn, you're looking at a genuine workhorse that most people walk right past. Number 8. Stihl MS 361. At number 8, we've got a saw that professional arborists and firewood cutters still hunt for on the used market years after it went out of production. The Stihl MS 361. The MS 361 is a 59cc professional saw that delivers around 4.4 horsepower, and it hit a sweet spot that Stihl arguably never quite recaptured with its replacement. It's powerful enough for felling, limbing, and bucking medium-sized trees, yet light enough to swing around all day without destroying your shoulders. That balance of power to weight is a big part of why people are still so loyal to it. One of the standouts on this saw is Stihl's IntelliCarb compensating carburetor, which automatically adjusts the air-fuel ratio as the air filter loads up with sawdust. That means the saw keeps running clean and strong, even in dusty, demanding conditions, without you constantly fiddling with adjustments. Combine that with a robust magnesium build and Stihl's anti-vibration system, and you've got a saw designed to survive real professional abuse. Here's the part that tells you everything about its reliability reputation. When Stihl replaced the MS-361 with the more modern, electronically managed MS-362, a huge portion of the professional community grumbled. Many of them preferred the simpler, purely mechanical 361 and its no-nonsense dependability. Used MS-361s in good shape often sell for strong money precisely because people trust them. That's the ultimate reliability endorsement. A saw that gets discontinued, and the pros go looking for the old one anyway. The MS-361 earns its spot at number 8 as one of the most beloved mid-size professional saws still ever produced. Number 7. Echo CS590 Timberwolf. Number 7 is the one saw on this list that you can still walk into a store and buy brand new today. The Echo CS590 Timberwolf. And it's here to prove that reliability isn't only a thing of the past. Echo is a Japanese brand that built its reputation on tough, dependable outdoor power equipment, and the CS590 is their statement piece in the mid-size class. It runs a professional-grade 59.8cc two-stroke engine, produces around 4 horsepower, and weighs in at roughly 13 pounds. On paper, that's a farm and ranch saw. In the real world, people have run these things like rented mules and been shocked at what they take. The reliability engineering here is genuinely clever. The CS590 uses Echo's G-Force engine air pre-cleaner, which spins larger dirt and debris out of the incoming air before it ever reaches the filter. That dramatically reduces how often you're cleaning the filter and, more importantly, keeps grit out of the engine, and grit is what kills two-strokes. Add a decompression valve for easier starting, a dual-post chain brake for durability, and a heavy-duty air filtration setup, and you've got a saw built to eat abuse. But here's the real kicker, and the reason it makes a most reliable list with confidence. Echo backs the CS590 with a 5-year consumer warranty. That's an enormous statement. Companies don't offer warranties that long on machines they expect to fail. When a manufacturer is willing to stand behind a saw for half a decade of homeowner use, they're telling you exactly how much faith they have in it. For anyone who wants legendary reliability but doesn't want to gamble on a decades-old used saw, the Timberwolf is the modern answer. It's rugged, affordable, and earns its number 7 spot honestly. Number 6. Husqvarna 272 XP. Halfway through the countdown, at number 6, we reach the first of the true Swedish icons, the Husqvarna 272 XP. If you talk to old-school loggers, especially in North America and Scandinavia, the 272 XP comes up again and again as one of the toughest saws Husqvarna ever built. It's a professional powerhead in the 72cc class, putting out roughly 5 horsepower, and it earned its stripes in the late 1980s and into the 1990s as a go-to felling and bucking saw. The XP badge is Husqvarna's professional designation. These were the saws built for people who cut wood for a living, not for weekend cleanup. What makes the 272 XP so reliable is the same theme you'll hear throughout this list: robust internal engineering and mechanical simplicity. A strong crankshaft, a durable cylinder, and a design free of the electronics that can strand a modern saw. These things were built to run hard, all day, in brutal conditions: cold, heat, dust, mud, and keep going. The 272 XP also has that indefinable quality that great saws share. It feels alive in the cut. It revs hard, it pulls a bar willingly, and it delivers the kind of torque that lets you power through hardwood without bogging. That character is part of why people held on to them, maintained them, and kept them running for decades. Today, a well-kept 272 XP is a collector-grade workhorse. People rebuild them, port them, and run them right alongside modern saws, and they hold their own. It's a machine from a golden era of two-stroke engineering, and it more than earns its place at number 6. When enthusiasts argue about the most bulletproof Huskies ever made, the 272 is always in the conversation. Number 5. Stihl 038 Magnum. At number 5, we've got a genuine tank of a chainsaw. The Stihl 038 Magnum. Introduced back in 1985, the 038 Magnum was Stihl's answer for people who needed serious middleweight to heavy power in a saw that could take a beating. It runs a big 72cc engine and delivers somewhere in the neighborhood of 5.3 horsepower, and it's built like it was designed to survive a war. This is a saw with a reputation for being almost indestructible. The kind of machine that gets described as overbuilt, which in the chainsaw world is the highest possible compliment. The 038 family evolved over the years, including the 038 Magnum II, and the platform proved so durable and well-liked that it never really died. It lives on in various world markets today under names like the MS380 and MS381, a saw design so sound that Stihl kept selling versions of it for decades. Why is it so reliable? Heavy, solid construction. There's not a lot of finesse or fragile engineering here. It's a stout crankcase, a big proven cylinder, and simple mechanical systems. That heft is actually the point. The 038 Magnum trades some of the light, nimble feel of newer saws for sheer durability. It's a saw you can lean on year after year, and it just keeps taking it. Ask around and you'll hear the same story over and over. Someone's dad or grandfather bought an 038 Magnum in the 80s or 90s, cut firewood with it every single season, barely maintained it beyond bar oil and chains, and the thing still runs. That's not marketing, that's a track record. For a solid, reliable, everyday powerhouse, the 038 Magnum sits comfortably at number 5. Number 4. Stihl 044/MS440. Number 4 is a saw that loggers and arborists have trusted for over 3 decades, the Stihl 044, later known as the MS440. The 044 arrived in the late 1980s and quickly became one of Stihl's most respected professional saws in the 70cc class. It runs a 70.7cc engine and produces around 5.4 horsepower, putting it right in that sweet spot for demanding work. Big enough to fell substantial trees and pull a long bar, but not so heavy that it becomes a burden. When Stihl updated it and renamed it the MS440, the core reputation carried straight over. This is a professional saw through and through. It's got the power to run 20 to 25-inch bars comfortably, the torque to muscle through dense hardwood, and a build quality aimed at people who use their saw as a tool of their trade, not a weekend toy. The magnesium construction, the proven engine architecture, and the straightforward mechanical design all add up to a saw that survives serious commercial use. What really cements the 044/440's reliability reputation is how it holds up over the long haul. These saws routinely rack up years of professional service, and even high-hour examples can be rebuilt and returned to work rather than thrown away. That rebuildability is a huge, underrated part of reliability. A saw that can be brought back to life over and over is a saw that never really dies. Among Stihl's professional lineup, the 044 and MS440 occupy a special place. They're the workhorses that many pros consider the perfect all-rounder: powerful, durable, and endlessly serviceable. That combination puts this legendary saw at number 4. Number 3. Stihl MS660 066 Magnum. Now we're getting into the heavy hitters. At number 3 sits an absolute legend of the logging world, the Stihl MS660, and its earlier form, the 066 Magnum. This is a big-bore professional saw with a 91.6cc engine and roughly 7 horsepower on tap. The MS660 was in production from 2004 to 2014, following on from the earlier 066, before eventually being succeeded by the MS661. And in that span, it became one of the most trusted large saws on the planet for felling and bucking big timber. The reliability story here is built into the materials. This saw uses a magnesium housing, serious, professional-grade construction that shrugs off the wear that would destroy a cheaper plastic-bodied homeowner saw. It features Stihl's IntelliCarb compensating carburetor, which keeps the engine running optimally even as the air filter clogs, and a decompression valve that makes starting a big engine far less of a fight. Every one of those features is aimed at keeping this saw running hard in the toughest conditions. Loggers, sawmill operators, and serious firewood cutters have leaned on the 066 and MS660 for the biggest, nastiest jobs, the trees that would stall a smaller saw. And these machines took it year after year. They became famous for their combination of raw power and dependability, one of the best power-to-weight ratios in the big saw class of their era. There's a reason the 660 platform has such a cult following, with rebuilds, hot-rodded versions, and clones all over the world. When you need a saw that will not quit under a massive load, this is the class of machine people reach for. The Stihl MS 660 and 066 Magnum earn a commanding number 3. Number 2. Husqvarna 372 XP. At number 2, we've reached what many loggers around the world consider the single most dependable professional saw Husqvarna has ever built, the 372 XP. This is the saw that defined the mid-size professional class for a generation. It runs a 70.7 cc engine and produces around 5.5 horsepower. And it's optimized for 20 to 24-inch bars, though it'll happily pull a 28-inch bar for larger felling. It's light enough to work with all day, powerful enough for serious timber, and tough enough to survive the kind of punishment that professional forestry dishes out. The engineering is what makes the 372 XP a legend. It's built with a magnesium crankcase and a forged multi-piece crankshaft designed specifically for high RPM professional use. The internals are made to spin hard for thousands of hours. The air injection centrifugal system flings the majority of dust and debris out before it ever reaches the filter, which massively extends engine life. The carburetor uses vibration damping to prevent fuel frothing at high speeds. Every detail is engineered around the same goal: keep this saw running under relentless load. And run they do. The 372 XP earned a near-mythical reputation among loggers on multiple continents as the saw you could beat on for a decade and rebuild for another decade after that. It's been in production in various forms, including the modern X-Torque version for many years, a testament to how right Husqvarna got the fundamental design. When people debate the greatest professional chainsaw ever made, the 372 XP is almost always one of the final two names standing. Bulletproof, powerful, and endlessly serviceable, it takes a very well-deserved number 2. Number 1, Stihl 26 MS 260, and that brings us to number 1, the saw that, more than any other, gets described as simply bulletproof. The Stihl 26 and its later identity, the MS 260. Now, this isn't the biggest saw on the list. It isn't the most powerful, and that's exactly the point. The 026 runs a 48.7 cc engine, producing around 3.2 horsepower, with a 44mm bore and a 32mm stroke. It's a mid-size saw weighing under 11 pounds as a powerhead. But ask thousands of professionals and homeowners which saw they trust most to just keep running, and this is the name that comes up again and again. Here's the history. The 026 was introduced in 1988, part of Stihl's legendary 1121 engine family. In 2001, it became the MS 260, and the MS 260 stayed in production all the way until the end of 2011. That's well over 2 decades of continuous production for essentially the same core design, a level of longevity that only happens when a manufacturer gets something profoundly right. Why is it the most reliable? Because it's the perfect marriage of simplicity, balance, and durability. It's got a proven mechanical carburetor, electronic ignition that fires dependably even in cold weather, and a design with remarkably little to go wrong. Owners report these saws running strong nearly 3 decades on, feeling more powerful than the spec sheet suggests, and pulling a 16 to 20-inch bar through hardwood all day without complaint. It's light enough to use for hours, powerful enough for real work, and tough enough to shrug off neglect. That's the magic formula. Not the most horsepower, not the fanciest features, just a machine so well balanced and so mechanically sound that it refuses to die. Firewood cutters, arborists, farmers, and homeowners have all landed on the same conclusion. If you want a saw you can hand down to your kids, this is it. The Stihl 026 and MS 260 are, for a huge number of people who cut wood for a living and for life, the most reliable chainsaws ever made, a fully deserved number 1. If this video brought back some memories or helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Now go start something.